Good morning, students. This is a mathematics class for class 10. Today's topic is Euclid's division lemma and Euclid's division algorithm from the first chapter, Real Numbers. Students, you have studied rational numbers, irrational numbers, and decimal expansion of rational and irrational numbers in your previous class 9. In this chapter, we shall shed some light on the divisibility of integers and expressing positive integers as a product of prime integers. We will begin to very important properties of positive integers, namely Euclid's division lemma. Euclid's division lemma, which tells us about the divisibility of integers, and fundamental theorem of arithmetic, which tells us about expressing positive integers as the product of prime integers. Students, before starting Euclid division lemma, we have to know what is the meaning of lemma. Lemma is a proven statement. Lemma is a proven statement used for proving another statement. A lemma is a proven statement used for the proving another statement. Next, also you have to know algorithm. An algorithm is a series of well-defined steps which gives a procedure for solving a certain type of problem. Algorithm is a series of well-defined steps which gives us a procedure, a method for solving a type of problem. Now, Euclid division lemma. First, we take a real life example. Suppose we have a basket which contain 7 oranges. We want to distribute the oranges into the small boxes. So, if in such a way that if each boxes contain 3 oranges, then how much boxes are needed and how much oranges are left out? Here 7 oranges. We want to keep 3 oranges in each box. Then we have to divide 7 by 3. After division, we saw that there are 2 boxes are needed and 1 oranges are left out. Here 7 is dividend, 3 is divisor, 2 is quotient, and 1 is remainder. So we can express 7 as 3 into 2 plus 1. That means dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now, Euclid division lemma. Euclid division lemma says for any 2 given positive integers a and b, first we have 2 numbers 7 and 3. 7 and 3 are positive integers. For any 2 given positive integers a and b, there exist unique integers q and r such that a equal to bq plus r. Follow the example. 7 equal to 3 into 2 plus 1. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Euclid division lemma is totally related to divisibility of integer. So again, for any 2 given positive integer a and b, there exist unique integers q and r such that a equal to bq plus r, where r 0 less than equal to r less than b. Here a equal to dividend, b equal to divisor, q equal to quotient, and r equal to remainder. Euclid division lemma says divisible to two numbers. If you have two numbers, suppose 19 and 6, then first we have to divide 19 by 6, then we have 3 as quotient and 1 is remainder. We can write 19 equal to 6 into 3 plus 1, where 19 is dividend, 6 is divisor, and 3 is quotient, or 1 is remainder. Again another example, 7 and 11. If we divide 7 by 11, then 0 is the quotient and 7 is remainder. Then express 7 by 11 into 0 plus 7. This example also satisfy Euclid's division lemma. Now notice that the remainder 7 and remainder 1 always less than the divisor 6. So by the condition remainder always less than equal to 0 but less than divisor b, and 7 and 1 are 7 and 11, divisor and quotient and remainder are unique. Quotient and remainder are unique.